Hi everybody, I'm Dr. Chisholm and I'm here with Marisa, and she's going to share with us her progress with upper cervical care thus far. Marisa, what brought you initially to our office?
I actually went to a TMJ specialist that recommended me to you, and I had gone to a neurosurgeon that told me I needed the ACDF surgery for herniated discs in my upper cervical spine. And the day of my pre-op, actually, I was going to get the surgery over the summer. Dr. A called me and he told me, just give us a try, we'll take care of you. And I'm so glad that I did. So I've been here since July. And yeah, I see a big difference in symptoms. I had headaches 24/7, migraines, a lot of neck pain, shoulder pain. It was hard for me at one point to even do everyday tasks like cleaning, taking care of my children. I was very active working out for 3 years, and I had to stop everything just because it was taking over my life. Wow. And yes, and since I've been here, I've seen major improvements. Just the care that you guys gave is amazing, and I have less headaches, less TMJ pain. So overall, it's been a great experience, and I'm so glad that I listened to you guys and I came here. So
that's wonderful.
Yeah.
That's wonderful. What was your experience during the course of care? Were there ups and downs?
Yes.
Or a smooth ride?
For me, I feel like it took a few months. Like when I first started here, it does fluctuate your symptoms. Like I did feel more symptoms, but then it kind of like leveled out, which was good. And I feel like now with the adjustments, I'm able to go longer with the adjustments, and I feel like I'm back to almost myself. So like I said, less pain, less symptoms. I'm able to do more at home. I'm able to work out now. So it's just overall such a positive experience, and I'm so thankful for you guys.
So this has been a huge thing because
Yes.
socially,
Yes.
I know for the family and the
That too.
activities, so a lot of involvement that you were sharing with me,
Yes.
right?
Yes, it took over my life, and now I'm finally getting it back. So
That's great.
Thanks
That's
to
great
you.
to hear. That's
Yes.
great to hear. So what would you share or tell anyone who's out there who's suffering? What would be your advice to them?
Definitely try this. There's going to be ups and downs, so you have to be patient with your care. There are going to be days where you feel like you take a step back, but then in between the adjustments, it'll get you right back to where you are, and just it's a great place to be, and they will heal you. So
Well, you do the healing, we just guide you there.
yes.